guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lexi Miles. Thank you for stopping by. I am an author. Usually I do vlogs, I do a lot of things, but anyway, today though, if you are stopping by, you click this button because you wanted to see what was going on with some 5 different makeup hacks. So I tried 5 different makeup hacks. I've been using a couple of them because I like them. Other ones, maybe not so much. We're gonna go ahead and get into this video. While you are here, please do like, subscribe, share, and come back. Alright guys, I am gonna get into this video. Alright guys, so the first hack that I have for you guys is going to be the hack of putting red lipstick under your eyes. It is supposed to get rid of any dark circles and help you cover them. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it and I'll show you how that works right now. Alright guys, so what you do is you basically just put this under your eye like that, if you do a concealer. And then you're gonna use your finger and kind of soften it up. Look at the little clown. Okay, so you can tap it because you're gonna want to make it fade it, but you want to tap it in the spot that you want it in. Can you see how I'm tapping it on there? Just to soften it so it's not as like that, and then pressing it into the skin. You're gonna use a red shade, as you see here. Look, but anyways, I saw this places and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it and see if it works, and so I did that. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on some foundation actually onto this. I use a generous amount because I want to make sure I have great coverage. So slap this on and let's see if it works. Nice, you see how that covers up? What this does is it counteracts purple underneath your eyes. It's like a little purple, and that counteracts it. As far as hacks go, yes, like that. See? No bags. All right, so the next hack that I have for you guys is the hack where you wet your sponge. Does it work or does it not work? This one, I swear by, it does work. It moves the product very evenly on your face. And it's a lot smoother and easier to do. So you can dampen it with water, just from a normal fountain, or something that I've gotten into is using my little Evian spritz, and I spritz the bottom of it, and it works awesome. So, does it work? Yes. All right guys, I have another hack for you. Basically, have you guys ever heard of the blotting strip? So like if you get a little oily throughout the day, you might need to blot your face. They have a blotting strip. It's specifically for that, and it basically absorbs any surface oil that might be on your face. So if you happen to go, oh, do they work, whatever, usually they're very, very good. I don't get oily a lot. I used to get oilier, you know, whatever. However, I switched some of the makeup that I use, and it actually has balanced out my face. However, you still, over a long day, after a long period of time, no matter what you're gonna do, you're gonna have a little oil, a little buildup. So if you're like, oh, I don't have those blotting strips, one of the hacks that they have out there circulating on Pinterest and YouTube and a whole bunch of different places, they have where you can use a filter for like a coffee filter, because it's similar to the same material as the blotting strips. Does it work? Does it not work? Let me go ahead and demonstrate. So, filter. And my face is not really whatever, but it's just setting in, so it still has the same principle. You can touch your face. And you guys, that set it almost like a setting powder, like a setting lotion. Awesome. So, do they work? Yes. So I definitely do. I give that one a thumbs up too. You can use a coffee filter. It's just a regular old coffee filter. It doesn't matter. So you thought coffee was just for making you wake up in the morning. It's also for keeping you glamorous all throughout the day. Okay, so do you ever have it where you're putting on your makeup and you have a bunch of, you can't really see it because it's not really showing up on here, but because I just put on my foundation, it transfers to your hands. So one thing I've noticed, I don't know if you know how to clean your brushes or whatever, I can always do a tutorial on that, but one of the agents that I use during that is Dawn. So it dawned on me No joke there. But it occurred to me that I can, I just was like, you know, if you see clean oil from bunkers and whatever, how does it work on makeup? Well, if you need to just do something really quick, use your, well, Dawn for sure, because that is like, this is not a joke. Just put just a little bit, it's not like a lot, just a little bit on there. And put that on there and just wash. You rub it together where you don't have any soap on it yet. Then you basically just wash your hands like so. And let's see if it comes off. Okay. Oh, nothing. See, this towel doesn't have anything on it because it's already come off. It is gone. I know you can't really see it that much, but it's like completely gone. So if you need to take off your makeup off your hands, it comes off like that. It is great. That's a great hack. All right, and another hack, if you want to put on your lipstick like perfect, I saw this hack somewhere and it really, really does work. So I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. All you're gonna need for this is a liner. So this one I'm gonna go a little dramatic. I usually do one that's a little softer, but this is just a dramatic liner. You just draw a heart on your lips. So there you go. Like you're the queen of hearts. Okay. See how I did that? So then the next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna take that and go to the end. Take that, go to the corner. Take that edge of the heart, go to the corner. Take this, go to the corner. Okay, so what you're gonna do with this, you're gonna fill in the heart. See that? Fill in the heart. Okay. All right, guys. This is the Chubby Stick from Clinique. It's the caramel. It's like a very soft color. You can get that anywhere. And then basically, you see how I had like the hole in between there? I'm gonna just fill the hole. Fill that hole. Fill the hole. Fill the hole. Now you got a kind of an ombre look going on that you don't know yet. But to soften up those lines, that's it. And then you have a pretty cool look. And you're there. However, it looks really pretty in life, and it's like subtle. Let me back up a little bit. See how it's kind of subtle, and it kind of pops. It looks really pretty when you're walking around. All right, guys, so that's a great hack that does work. So those are my hacks. I'll be back with other hacks, but those are some of the hacks that I saw recently, and I love them. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, and I'd like to see you back. So I'll see you soon. That's it for now. Bye. All right. So this is just my workspace.